Hi everyone. This summer I am really excited because I am teaching a 3D printing and modeling class at the summer camp I run, the Digital Culture Summer Institute, which if you know any cool 6th to 12th graders in the Phoenix Tempe area, I'll put the link in the description of this video if they want to come and do media arts with us. But I am excited because I am teaching a 3D printing and modeling class, and I'm going to teach them Tinkercad, 3D design in their computers, digital design, and then we're going to take that design and we're going to print it using our Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer. So I wanted to give an overview of one of the projects that we will be doing in that class. So here's a project. I'm so excited about it. They're going to be making some kind of small wearable or pinnable thing, right? So they could make a pin for their backpacks, or maybe a ring, or what I made were earrings, which are green, so they're hard to see in a green screen studio. We'll pull them out. And we live in Arizona, and I love cacti, so I made this cactus design. And actually, let me show you up close what these look like. Okay. So we have this this little cactus, right? And I have it situated in these just flat-backed post earring pieces that you can buy at any craft store. And this was 3D printed in 2 pieces. So let me show you the digital design. Okay. I have so many cacti on here because I tried so many designs that failed, right? So I started out by just hand drawing this using the scribble mode in Tinkercad. So I took my mouse and I just drew a cactus, right? And I don't want that, so hold on, let me delete this. No, that's okay, we'll leave it there. I made this scribble, and then I went back and I decided, oh, well, maybe I want to, like, I don't know, make a hole to slide the little post in. It did not work at all. And then I was like, well, maybe I want to draw a different cactus. So I tried it using the new sketch mode. So you can see the sketch here allows you to do more precise drawing using points. You can actually click on this and adjust the position of all these points and also of the curves. And I liked this cactus, but I ended up going with the original sketch, which you can see here. And then one of my awesome colleagues who was watching me work on this project was like, hey, what if you broke it into 2 pieces? Then you can layer them on top of each other and stick the post earring through. And that was genius, and it ended up working really well. So I added this cylindrical hole, and when we group this together, so I have a cylindrical hole for the flat part on the bottom piece, and then another one coming up here for the post. We'll group those. And let it do its thing. Dun, 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 dun. Node fails to load, failed grouping shapes. Okay, don't know what that's about. Well, let's look at this. Next version is that, obviously it did group at one point in time. And I decided, well, instead of just relying on glue to glue these 2 pieces together, I would add in these snaps. So I added in just red cubes here. Then I took the regular cactus shape, I duplicated it, and then I mirrored it using the mirror tool up here so that it kind of flips on its back. So then I can take them and go like this, right, like a pancake. And then I can take those snaps, right? I took these 2 red cubes, I turned them into hole shapes here, and I aligned them into that plastic so that at the end I end up with a piece with an extrusion and on the bottom, and then a place where a hole, and it snaps right in and it works really well. Okay, so then I take that and I export the final shape as an STL file, and I choose the selected shapes, the grouped shape, and then I come to my slicer. Okay, so this is the software that comes with, again, this Bambu mini printer. You can go and download the software free from their website. And the job of the slicer is to take your STL file which is the 3D design, and slice it into layers that then the nozzle can reproduce onto the printer. We also specify the layer height, the type of material that we're going to use, the type of plate that's on the printer. All the here on the left-hand side are our settings. So we imported the STL, we have it right here. We're going to click slice, okay. It tells us slice is good, excellent. It tells us where all the lines are going to be. We can look at each individual layer of these 22 layers that we're printing. And it'll tell us how much material we're using and how long it'll take, which is only about 13 minutes total time, which is a really good time for this print. It's small, but 13 minutes is super fast. Print them out, take a little post, put some glue on it, snap them together, and I have an earring which I can actually wear. And I love them, and I've been wearing them nonstop. So I hope this was fun, seeing my overview of the design process for 3D design and printing. And again, if you have any cool 6th to 12th graders that you want to send my way to do some media arts, we're doing game design as well, and all kinds of other cool classes, then follow that link in the description. Thanks.